Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on LED flash notifications on iPhone running iOS version 14.4. So let's start. So this is my iPhone device. So the method I'm going to tell you will only work when your iPhone is locked. So when your iPhone is unlocked, the method will not work. So first of all, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened. And also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me go back again. So in order to turn on LED flash notifications on iPhone, you have to open your settings app, and after that you have to scroll down to accessibility. So let me go over there. So here I have this accessibility, so you have to tap on this to open it. Let me tap on this, and you can see guys, I have this accessibility, this screen opened, and on this screen you have to scroll down to hearing section. So let me go over there. So here I have this hearing this section, and in this section you have to tap on this audio and visual. So let me tap on this, and I have this audio and visual this screen opened, and you have to come at this section visual on this screen. And you can see guys, here we have this option LED flash for alerts. So you can see currently I have this switch turned off, so you have to turn on the switch next to this LED flash for alerts. So just tap on this switch and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now turned on. And also guys, here we have this another option, a flash on silent. You can see I have this option also turned on. So when you turn on flash on silent, and whenever your phone is silent and you get a notification like a phone call, your flash will turn on and off. And if you don't want this flash on silent, you can simply turn off this switch next to this flash on silent. So let me show you. So just tap on this switch next to this flash on silent and move this slider to the left in order to turn it off. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now turned off. So just select the option that you want. So I want to turn on this flash on silent. So let me tap on this switch and move this slider to the right. Let me tap on this, and you can see it's now turned on. And you can see guys, I have this LED flash for alerts turned on, and also a flash on silent turned on. And after you're done, you can close your settings app. So let me close this. So that's it. In this way you can easily turn on LED flash notifications on iPhone running iOS version 14.4. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.